Hello friends, today we will discuss 55 plus MCQ of computer literacy for competitive exam. So today we will discuss computer literacy for competitive exam and also called computer awareness. So let's we start now. Which of the following are component of central processing unit? So ALU means arithmetic logic unit and control unit is the component of central processing unit. Which among the following first generation of computer heads? So first generation computer had vacuum tubes and magnetic drum. So remember, vacuum tubes and magnetic drum. Full form of URL. Most of time this question is asked. Uniform resource locator. URL means uniform resource locator. In which of the following form data is stored in computer? So data is stored in computer in a binary. Explanation is the binary form means all data is in the form of ones and zeros. So this is the 2 and data is stored in computer is the binary. Technology used to provide internet by transmitting data over wires of telephone network, that is known DSL. Internet transmitting data over wires of telephone network, that is DSL, means digital subscriber line. Which level language is assembly language? Low level programming language. Remember, low level programming language is the assembly language. Documents, movie, image and photographs are stored at file server. Documents, movie, image and photographs are stored at file server. Which of following is used in RAM? RAM. So random access memory. Semiconductor is used in RAM. So remember semiconductor. Who was the founder of Bluetooth? So Ericsson. Ericsson is the founder of Bluetooth. Who was the father of internet? Windkerf. Windkerf is the father of internet. What is Linux? Linux used worldwide and this is the operating system. Linux is the operating system. What is the name of first supercomputer of India? We all know Param 8000. Param 8000 is the first supercomputer. Remember, supercomputer of India. Which is most common language used in web designing? So for web designing, common language is the HTML, mean hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. Which among the following is commonly used language in Android applications? So Android application, the language is used is the Java. So remember Java. Which operation are performed by RAM? So RAM performs read and write. Read and write. Which among the following is secondary storage device? So hard disk. Hard disk is the secondary storage device, not a primary. So remember, secondary storage device is the hard disk. USB. USB is tertiary, means tertiary storage device. So remember, this is the tertiary storage device. ROM. ROM is a non-volatile. ROM is a non-volatile. ROM is non-volatile means data will not be erased when computer is turned off. So permanent data. And random access memory means the RAM is a volatile nature, means not a permanent data in the RAM. They will be erased, but ROM is non-volatile and the data will not be erased when computer is turned off. Random access memory is which storage of device? So RAM is a primary storage device. RAM is a primary storage device. What is full form of CMOS? Complementary metal oxide semiconductor. CMOS means complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Second generation of computer consists of which of the following? So second generation computers is the transistors. Following constant transistor. So second generation of computer consists transistors. What is used to make computer chips? Silicon. Silicon is used in make computer chips. Basic input-output system where BIOS is stored. So in the flash memory chip. In the flash memory chip, BIOS is stored. What is full form of EXIF? Means exchangeable image file format. Exchangeable image file format. BIOS is used for loading operating system. Loading operating system. An electronic path that sends signal from one part of computer to another, that is called bus. Which device among following is used for sending digital data over phone line? Sending digital data over phone line, that is device is the modem. IP address version 4 in which format? So IP address version 4 is in 32 bits format. So remember 32 bits format. In banking, railway, etc., which computers are used? So that computer is the mainframe computers. Banking and railways, etc., which computer are used? Is the mainframes computer are used. Which type of switching is used in internet? So packet switching. Packet switching is used in internet. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. 1 byte is equal to how many bits? 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. So remember 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. What is the meaning of OSI in terms of computer? So OSI means Open System Interconnection. Open System Interconnections. 1 nibble is equal to how many bits? 1 nibble is equal to 4 bits. 1 nibble is equal to how many bits? 4 bits. ULSI microprocessor is used in which generation of computer? So ULSI microprocessor is used 5th generation computers. Full form of ULSI is ultra large scale integration. So remember ultra large scale integration. What is meaning of EPROM? So remember electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Don't confuse this E. This E is for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. What can be considered as a basic building blocks of a digital circuit? So logic gate considered as a basic building blocks of digital circuit. Which type of storage device is a BIOS? BIOS is also primary storage device. In computer, what converts AC to DC? So SMPS, switch mode power supply, is converts AC power to DC. Which among following is responsible for specifying address of memory location? So specifying address is the address bus for memory location. Which are the main parts of central processing unit, control unit and arithmetic logic unit? This is the main parts of central processing unit, means CPU. Which among following is responsible for finding and loading operating system into RAM? So bootstrap loader. So remember bootstrap loader is responsible for finding and loading operating system into RAM. What is full form of TIFF? So tagged image file format. Remember tagged image file format. Computer resolutions measure number of pixels. Computer resolution measures number of pixels. Which term is related to database? So Oracle. Oracle is related to database. Which among following is engine of computer? We all know processor. Most of computer has Intel processor, and the processor is the engine of computer. Which language was used as a first generation language? So first generation language is the machine language. First generation language is the machine language. Who invented Java? So Android language Java is invented by James Gosling. James Gosling. Who is known as the father of artificial intelligence? John McCarthy is the father of artificial intelligence. John McCarthy. What is full form of HTTP? We all know Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. An assembler is used to translate a program written in assembly language. Assembler work is used to translate a program written in assembly language. What is the name of device that converts digital signal to analog signal? Is the modem. What is kind of CD-ROM? CD-ROM is magnetic disk. CD-ROM is magnetic disk. C is what kind of language? C is a third generation high level language. C is third generation high level language. Thank you friends. Keep watching and keep learning. Please like and subscribe for upcoming video.